it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Hi guys, so today we're going fishing and I'm with Tita Mandy here. So we didn't get it on video, but we got a really big fish that time, and I think that was like our 10 or 100th time trying to catch a fish. There's a lot of fish that's on the edge but doesn't want to go. And then there's my dad.
Go around and show.
And there's everyone over there, and this is the lake, and there's a fish right there, you guys, if you see it.
So it's your turn to catch
There.
one, okay?
There was a fish. I just got the fish. It was really big, but it was bleeding a lot, so now I kind of feel bad for it. But it had a pimple on its cheek. It was like a bump. They had 3 big pimples. So
no bite? Let's try one more time. Just pull the rod up. Okay? Stop. Oh, Mace, look. Archie got a fish. Okay. Reel a bit. Yay!
it's a big one.
Oh.
It has a pimple on it.
Macy, you got one.
I'm good. Thank you.
It has a pimple.
Make sure it gets into the basket. Yeah, we'll basket there.
Easy. Stay behind. What is it doing?
Archie, did you catch it?
Put down the reel for a second. Just put down. Yes, take a picture.
Can I
Yay!
put the stick in the net?
Yeah, sure. Oops.
I'll get this.
Macy, come here. You get fish. Come on, go. Go, Mace. Tulungan mo. Go. Go. Oh, Macy got one. Come on. Oh, Macy, you got one. Yay.
Record reel.
Yeah, it's on record. Good job. Macy, good job.
I'm okay. I have one. We're on number 1.
Macy, did you get one?
Yeah!
High five.
You want to see the fish?
Come closer so you can see it. Woohoo!
Picture here, picture.
Good job.
I'll put it down first.
Put it down. Come.
Wait.
You want that as the fish?
Takot. Hold the... Okay,
It's
I'll
too
take a
heavy-
photo.
It's too heavy for her.
Look here, Mace. Look at the phone.
Okay, we'll put it on bucket.
Yay, Macy.
Are we gonna put it over there?
Yeah.
Tina Manny, are we
Yeah.
gonna put it over there?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Careful. Oh, dance. You got one. You dance. Oops.
Missy, don't stay close. You gotta get hooked.
Paano nga gugupitin?
Okay, stay away from the hook. Stay away from the hook.
Come here. We're gonna. Patay na yung isa.
Alright guys, so at the end we ended up catching 3 fish. I got the last one and it was really cool, see? So we got 1 pimply one and 2 dots ones.
Show it here.
There. So those are that fish. And we ended up catching 3. I caught 2, Macy caught 1. And you could see that in the video. Anyway, bye guys!